Hi, my name is Tsiaras, and I'll be explaining light and shade. So each of these drawings, I'll be explaining the 7 considerations in light and shade situation, 5 on the object. So there's something called the light source, so where the light is coming from. So in this scenario, the light is coming from the top, going down. In this one, the light is going from this way. And in this scenario, the light is also coming from this way. So as you see, that's the light source, which is the first part of it. And as you see, the top right here is lighter to show that the light is coming from that way, because the most light is hitting that part of the object. Then as you go down, you go to deep shade, and this side right here is getting no light compared to this side, and like less light as the object is away from the light and it's not receiving direct light. And then reflected light. So to show that this is a surface, you have a shadow. This ball, this sphere is hovering, so you see the shadow disconnected, and so there will be no reflected light on this drawing because it is not connected to the ground. And so as you see, there's no reflected light, and in here there is reflected light. As you can see, there's reflected light along here. It kind of gets a little bit lighter, even though you'd think it'd be the darkest part, but the light shines down and reflects up again. And then so you see the transition and the shadows, the darkest and the hard edges. So this is like a soft edge. It gradually goes into it, and to kind of show in art, there's like no lines. There's no lines. So to show that there's no lines in life, to show that we only see reflected light bouncing off, and we think we see a line, but we don't. And so we see here the distinctiveness is within the shadow. Here it's not connected, but so this would be a hard edge because the different colors are so drastic that you can make out the shape of the object. Same way over here, you can see the drastic change, but along here within the object, it's soft, it's gradual. And then, so some perspective I learned was kind of like, was having the shade gradual, as in this is the darkest part, so it's gradually into it. And to really just look at to draw what you look at, to just keep looking and to keep seeing the object, and then drawing it. And as you can see here, here's the reflection along of it, and then I kind of made this darker to show that when you look at it, this is still a little darker because it doesn't receive direct light. And on this side it's brighter. And then here's a reflection of it, and there's a little shadow casted on the left of the object. So that's a little bit about light and shade. And when you include the shadows, it makes it more 3D like, so you can like kind of grab it almost, but it's flat. On these, it looks 3D to show the shadow, when the light's coming from, and how the light wraps around the object. Cool.